All right, welcome to Earth Science again. Now we're taking the next step. When you, okay, you did these two, you got those two off of the chart there. You figured out a difference. Doing math with time can be a little bit of a pain, but we got to be able to figure it out. You use that to get a distance, so we did it over here. There's your P, your S, a difference of 4 minutes, giving us a distance of 2,600 kilometers. So what I should do, if I was organized here, this is going to be like what it's like. What about Fake Town? Because I'm just making up these numbers. So our P wave arrived in Fake Town, according to the last video, which if you didn't watch that, please go back. P wave arrived at 12 o'clock. S wave arrived at 12:04. So our difference in time was 0 hours, 4 minutes, and 0 seconds. Our distance then, which we did in the last video, was 2,600 kilometers. That's how far away the earthquake is. Now, P wave travel time. How long did the P wave travel for? Because what this is going to get us is, when did this earthquake actually take place? If this earthquake arrived here at my fake seismometer in Fake Town at 12 o'clock, but it traveled for 2,600 kilometers, the earthquake didn't happen at 12 o'clock. It happened far away before 12 o'clock and traveled all that time to get here. And people I'm telling you, have a heck of a time figuring this out. There's a very easy way to explain this and think about it. It takes me about 45 minutes to get here to work. We'll switch over to selfie mode. It takes me about 45 minutes to get here from work. From home. It takes about 45 minutes for me to get here from home. So if I pull in that parking lot over there at 7 in the morning, could you tell me what time I left home? Now, you weren't at my house to watch me do this, right? But you got other information. If you know it takes me 45 minutes, and you know I arrived at 7, can you tell me what time I left my house? Hopefully, you're figuring out that that's 6:15. This is the same problem. That earthquake traveled for 2,600 kilometers and arrived at noon. So when did it actually take place? Well, I would have to know how long it takes a P wave to travel 2,600 kilometers. Unfortunately, I've got myself a P wave travel time chart right here. So 2,600 kilometers, all I got to do is go up, see where it hits. Right? I took this, I went up to that, and I'm going to come over, and it turns out that a P wave takes 5 minutes to travel 2,600 kilometers. So that's my P wave travel time. 5 minutes. Which I really should write in the same format. One moment. Apologies again for the camera. Alright. I really should write in the same format, meaning it traveled for 0 hours, 5 minutes, and 0 seconds. So if it traveled for those 5 minutes, and it arrived at 12 noon, what time did it leave? 5 minutes before that. And I know arithmetic with time can be tricky. But it would have to be 11:55, meaning at 11:55 the earthquake occurred, traveling for 5 minutes until it arrived at 12 noon, and that trip was 2,600 kilometers. All right, being that you're at home, type in time calculator to Google. I usually crank on people, we got to figure this out, we got to figure this out, we got to figure this out, but hey, you're at home, use the internet to your advantage. Time calculator, if you plug it in right, can do all that. Some people in their head can do math with time. It's hard. I don't deny it. When you all get hourly jobs, you're going to get much better at it. Okay? That is all of that stuff. That's how we're going to do it. I'm going to have you do this practice sheet. I'm going to help you with the first row and then say good luck for the other two. And then once you got those, you're going to turn it into doing a lab. Yeah. So let's try it. Let's do it. Who do we start with? These guys. Good luck, folks.